you guys, welcome to my channel, Josephine's Fit. My name is Josephine and today I'm going to be showing you some products that I use that help my hair become soft and manageable, whereas my hair was once super dry and unmanageable. So my hair, like, literally it was horrible. Like, you can just look at my hair back then and you're like, Josephine, you probably want to get a haircut because I think your ends are fried. Like, yes, my hair was fried, okay? And I barely used heat on my hair, but it was like I just didn't know why it was so dry. So I will show you what I use that helped my hair become soft. Okay, so let's start off with shampoo. So the shampoo that I'm using is called Hairitage by Mindy McKnight, and I found this at Walmart. It's a gentle daily shampoo, so I like to wash my hair every day, if not every other day, just because my hair gets greasy so quick. And I know a lot of shampoos are very harsh if you use it every day. So I seen it said gentle daily shampoo. I was like, hey, let me get that. It smells so delicious, so good. So it has, this is definitely gentle, and I only use this on my scalp. So when I shampoo my hair, I do 1 or 2 pumps. I leave it on for 1 minute, so I'll just let it go down my hair, and then I'll run my fingers through my hair so it can get in there. So for conditioner, I love Aussie's. What is this? The 3-minute Miracle Moist definitely is a go for me. So far, I think this is the best conditioner I've ever tried. I'm telling you, this works almost instantly to make your hair tangle free, soft, moisturized. I leave this on my hair for 3 to 5 minutes. So after I shampoo, I put this on, of course, and then I just do my body and whatever else I need to do. But I would definitely recommend this conditioner if you want your hair to really feel soft in the shower and when you get out of the shower. And then what I recently bought was a Repair Protein Power Treatment, and this is by Shea Moisture. So it is a Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment with Mafura Baobab oils. It strengthens and protects extremely dry, brittle hair. So after I use the Aussie conditioner, I use this afterwards, or sometimes I'll actually put this in with my Aussie conditioner, a combination of both, and then I'll leave it on for the time being. This texture is different from the conditioner. It's like lotion. It's like the texture of lotion, and then you really have to get it into your hair. Now when I get out of the shower, I only squeeze my hair with the towel. I don't use friction on it or anything, and I don't towel dry my hair anymore. I used to, but I read that was really damaging for your hair, so I had stopped all of that. And if I'm not using a towel, I'll use a t-shirt, and I'll just wrap my hair in the t-shirt and let it dry while I'm doing my makeup or whatever it is I'm doing. When it's time to dry and style my hair, I like to use It's a 10. Now this one is a Silk Express Miracle Silk leave-in, and this really doesn't have the best smell, but it works really good, I have to say. It makes my hair really shiny. So it says it does these 10 things instantly. I'm all out. Let's see how much I really have left. I might have one more use left in this, but this really works wonders for your hair. If you have to use it consistently, you can't just use it 1 or 2 times. although you could, but if you want your hair to always be like, you know, smooth as much as possible, then I would use this every single time you get out the shower. When my hair is dry, I like to go in with this. It's Garnier's Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum with argan oil from Morocco. I love it. I love it. Like literally one or two squirts. Don't need a whole lot, and then you just run it through your ends. So it makes your hair, not one, smell good, but two, it gives it the extra silkiness and softness that you're looking for after you use your other hair care products. 10 out of 10, I would definitely recommend that product. I also used this Scalp Love Rosemary Mint Serum. So this is really for my scalp because I have dry scalp and it's only on the ends, like not the ends, but like the bottom of my scalp. So what I do, it's a dropper. What I like to do is squeeze some out and put it onto my scalp and then just like massage it in. And I feel like with a more moistured scalp, you know, the less you are itching and damaging your scalp, which is damaging your hair, which leads to hair fallout, I'm pretty sure, because that's what happens to my hair. So if you need to moisturize your scalp but you don't want to use lotion or anything like that, because I don't like using lotion on my scalp. I think I did it one time and it was weird. So when I seen this, I was like, oh hey, yes, let me try it, and it instantly relieves your dry scalp. So I hope you like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.